Hello and welcome. In this video, I'll be showing you how to answer Excel Project 5 WHI1040. We'll be making changes on sheet average call time. I will make another video. We'll be focusing on changes on sheet employee hours. Before we can even answer these questions, or before I can even show you how to answer this question, let's go to Microsoft Excel. There are a few things that I want to explain. So when you open Excel, what you see here, it's a workbook. This thing that we are looking at, it's a workbook. And this workbook is made out of spreadsheets or worksheets. So if you want to switch from one worksheet to another, you simply click on the sheet tab. Here we are going to make changes on average call time. So you click on the sheet and it will switch to the next sheet. So this thing located at the top is what we call a ribbon. It's what we call a ribbon. So a ribbon is divided into tabs, each representing a specific category of functions and tools. Common tabs include Home, Insert, Page Layout, Formulas, Data, Review and View. Groups. Each tab is further divided into groups which contain related commands. For example, on the Home tab, you can see we have the font group, we have the alignment group, we have the number group, we have the styles group, cells group, editing, and so on and so forth. So the ribbon in Excel replaces the traditional menu system found in older versions of the software and provides a more visual and organized way to interact with the program's feature. In simple terms, it makes it easy for you to work with Excel. So when someone say Excel is difficult, I wonder what's difficult with Excel, because it makes it easy. It makes it easy. Everything is accessible. When they say Merchant Center, just go. Like, go through this ribbon. Go through this ribbon. You'll find what you're looking for. And in cases where they didn't have enough space to store everything on the ribbon or on the group, they created the launch button, which you can click on it to see more clipboard options. Even on font, you can click on the launch button to see more font options. Okay, let's begin to begin. First instruction. In cell A1, apply an ice blue background to fill color. To apply an ice blue fill color, the first thing you'll have to do is to open the worksheet, select A1, go to the font group on the Home tab. The Home tab, font group, look for the fill color. You can see Excel is easy. It tells you when you stand on it, it tells you what it is. So you look for ice blue background 2. Click on it, you're done with that instruction. You get yourself a mark. Use the format painter to copy the text appearance in F3 to G3. Okay, in F3 is the one that has a certain formatting that we want to apply to G3. So the first thing that you do is to go to F3, you click on it, and then on the clipboard group, look for the format painter. Is this thing that looks like a brush. You click on it, go to G3, select G3. You are done with that instruction. You get yourself a mark. Use a function to display the week's total call time for each salesperson in G4. Okay, let's go to G4. We are going to use the sum function on the keyboard. Just hold Alt and press equal to, then hold Control and press Enter. Next instruction. Copy the function in G4 to G5 through to G16. Let's go to it. We are going to use the fill handle. With the cell still selected, go to the bottom right corner of the cell where there's this square that you see here. This square is what we call the fill handle. Go to it, click and drag until G16. Next instruction says in cell C17, use a function to display the total call time for Tuesday. Let's go to it, C17, which is this one. If you can't find it, just come to the name box, you type in the cell that you're looking for. Again, we're going to use the sum function because we are looking for the total call time for Tuesday. Hold Alt on the keyboard and press equal to. When you're done, press tab. Next instruction. In cell F20, use a function to determine that the weights target reached of the calculated total call time for Tuesday found somewhere in worksheet is equivalent to or exceeds the target value of 3,500 minutes. Display target not reached if this is not true. Okay, let's go to it. When you see an instruction like this where they say value when false, value when true, just know that you are going to use the if function. You can even see here it's trying to guide you if the calculated total call time for Tuesday found somewhere in the worksheet is equivalent. Remember here we were calculating the call time for Tuesday. Now you know where it is stored. Here they say found somewhere in worksheet, but we know that it's found in C17. Okay, let's go to it. Go to F20. It's equal to if, press tab, C17 is greater or equal to 3,500. Use a separator in inverted commas, value if false, value if true, is target reached. Use a separator, value if false in inverted commas, which is target not reached. Then you close the parenthesis. You are done. Again, I must emphasize, those who are writing at the computer lab, use a comma as a separator, not a semicolon. Let's go to the next instruction. Use a function to show the total number of salesperson who met the week's target of a total 1,000 minutes or more. A total number of salesperson who met the week's target of a total 1,000 minutes or more. We are going to use the count if function equal to count if total minutes press tab greater or equal to 1,000 minutes, close parenthesis, enter. Next instruction. In cell F22, the calculated G total minutes worked for the week is found somewhere in the worksheet. Use a formula to display the G total minutes in hours. Format the result to a number with 0 decimal places. Okay, we are going to take the grand total in minutes and convert it to hours, then format the result to a number with 0 decimal places. Okay, in cell F22 equal to, as you can see, the grand total in minutes is in G17, so it's equal to G17 divided by 60, because we are converting to hours, or we are converting minutes to hours. Control and enter. Right click, format cells, go to number, category. The category that we are looking for, it's a number. Then reduce decimals to 0. Then press OK. We are done with changes on average call time. The next video will be on changes on employee hours. Invite your friends to invite their friends so that you don't miss anything. Make sure that you are fully equipped for Excel test. To those who didn't do well with the first attempt,